This is
not just complaint.
just a complaint. Just put.
How can I help you?
Hello.
Hi,
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good.
Okay. Sam, что делаешь?
It's a complaint.
No, ice cream.
Do you guys have ice caps here?
Yeah.
What are your guys' sizes?
Small, medium, large.
I'm not a small guy, but I'll take the large.
Okay, large ice cap.
Okay. Do you guys have Boston cream?
Let's look if we have or not.
Okay.
That's it. That's it.
That's it, Dad. Dad.
Yes, we do.
Do you guys have water? Do you guys have free water?
Sorry?
Free water?
You want bottle of water?
No. Chestnut. He's chestnut.
You want glass of water?
No, it's okay. I got water in the car, but just ice cap.
Okay, one large ice cap and one Boston.
No Boston cream.
He's cheap, ma'am. He's a fucking cheap guy.
That's it, ma'am.
Let me see, that's
I
me.
will help you at the
It's like complaining I saw it. Jag som är så orolig för ice cap. It's an issue.
Hello.
Dude, don't put it.
So, what do you think?
Just the ice cap. What?
That's put it. I'll give the money. Yeah. Come down. Hold on.
No, Edis, it's okay.
Läs min vad jag glad ut henne.
Eda, come on. Säg samma minut.
Nej boy.
Keep the change, hey.
Ima auto da.
No, it's zero. That. Men där. No, keep the change. That's good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dude, there's tables.
Oh, that's the next person.
Free? Is that free?
Yeah, free.
For what?
Water.
Oh, good. You slutar ju. Yeah, boy.
Hey, ma'am.
You guys suck.